Kevin, where are we?
We're at Marina. We're at Marina Square. See? Marina Square is a shopping center. So I use the preposition at. We're at Marina Square. And where is Marina Square? It's on Marina Boulevard. So for streets, we use the preposition on. It's on Marina Boulevard. And we are at Marina Square.
What is it?
It's an outlet mall, and it's in San Leandro, California, just across the bay from San Francisco.
What is an outlet?
An outlet? Well, there are different types of outlets. You can have an electrical outlet like this. This is an electrical outlet, and we call it an outlet because it lets out electricity. This is an outlet mall, and we call it an outlet mall because it lets out products, special products at a low price.
How do you pronounce outlet?
Outlet. The first T in the middle is a stop T, so we put our tongue up and stop the air. Outlet. Link the sounds. Outlet. And the final T is a stop T also. Put your tongue up and stop the air. Outlet.